Good morning everyone. We've got a bit of an exciting project to do this weekend. So for those that have followed us for a while will know that we built this workshop at the bottom of our garden at the end of last year actually. But we've yet to put a proper roof on top. So we've had it watertight, but it's needed a proper roof. So we are going to be doing that today. And we've been kindly gifted some roofing materials by the team at ONDULINE. So I'm going to share with you some of the bits and pieces that we are going to do. So we're going to start off by attaching the underlay. So you can see this is a membrane that allows the wood to breathe underneath. So we've got an OSB board underneath, and then it is also watertight. So when we put the battens over and then the proper roof on top, it'll give it a really, really good finish. What you can see as well is on the underlay, you've also got lines there. So that tells you where the overlaps need to be. So what we've done is we have now laid the membrane down and we've put some battens across. So we have just used some construction timber that's suitable for exterior. And then we've just used a bit of an offcut and we put that in so we've got the right spacing. So you can see all the overlapping is done on the membrane, and then you've got the battens there, and that's ready now for the top coat to go on top. So these are the roofing panels that we have chosen. So you can see they're matte black ones. There's a whole range of different colours on ONDULINE's website that you can go, but we thought the matte black would work well with the sort of navy blue that we've got on the sides. And what we've done is we've squared the panel up into the corner. So that's ready. We've got a little bit of an overhang at the back, and that's for the guttering to have the sort of rainwater to run off into the guttering. And we're now just going to fix these through to the battens that we've got here. So what we're doing now is we're attaching the panels onto the roof battens that we've already laid. So we're using these fittings. So you get a box of these, there's 400 in a box, and these just get hammered in, and they've got a little plastic cap on the top. And what we're doing is we're putting them onto the top of the ridges, not into the bottom, because if you put them in there, then obviously they'll be sat in rainwater. So we're attaching them to the top. Now over here on the edge, we're going to put them onto every single one that we do, whereas on these ones, you only need to put them on every other. So we'll put them on this one, and this one. So I've now done half of the roof, and that's all kind of fixed down. So for the big boards that we've used, we've overlapped by 2 ridges, and that made sure that, that any water that was sat there, because it's quite a shallow roof, the wind wouldn't kind of blow it into the crevices and obviously create a leak over time. So we've overlapped by 2. If you've got a steeper pitch on your roof, then you won't need to overlap it by quite as much as that. But all of that guidance is on the ONDULINE website as well. So really, really useful videos and sort of guidance that's available. Now just cutting down to the lengthways of the panels, and this is just so that we can have a nice finish on the end of the workshop. So we're now adding the front sheets over, so you can see we're overlapping by about 30 centimetres. So again, check the ONDULINE website and the YouTube videos for the measurements relevant to your roof, but for ours it's about 30 centimetres, and then we'll fix those again using the same fixings, and they'll go through both sheets.